guys, I want to get on here and read the nonfiction text for you. So here we go. The nonfiction text we're reading about today is owls. So this is the table of contents, and it tells you on what page you can find information about owls. Who are owls? Owls are raptors. This means that they hunt for meat. They have powerful claws called talons that they use to grab prey. There are about 200 different kinds of owls, but the majority have a few things in common. For example, their eyes do not move from side to side, so the owl turns its flexible neck every time it needs to see something. Male owls are a little smaller than females, and most of the time owls mate for life. Their babies are called owlets and usually stay with their parents for 1 to 2 months after they hatch. This is a diagram of an owl. There's his talons, facial discs, eyes, the neck, wings, tail feathers, and ear tufts. Owl habitats. Habitats means this is where they live. Owls are known for being versatile. When picking their homes, the most popular location for an owl to rest is a wooden area that provides them cover during the day when they are sleeping. But some owls sleep in the tops of barns, scrubs, logs, and even cacti. All owls face the same predicament. When humans destroy their habitats, they lose not only their homes but also their food. Even the most adaptable animals can only do so much before they become endangered. Strong senses. Owls are known best for their huge eyes. When it is dark out, their pupils enlarge, which means they get bigger, and allow them to see better. More light is able to enter their eyes when the pupils are big. This is especially helpful since they are nocturnal birds. Nocturnal means that they are up all night and sleep during the day. Rather it is night or day, owls have exceptional sight. Even though their eyesight is incredibly strong, it is their hearing that owls use when hunting. Their ears are hidden behind their facial disc, which act like funnels to sounds. Skeletal structure. The skeleton of an owl is very light and strong. This allows them to fly and walk. Many of its larger bones are hollow, which means it weighs less than other skeletal frames. The combination of strength and lightness allow the owl to get into the air quickly and with a lot of power. Their wing bones are larger than most birds, so this is why they have such a wide wingspan. And this is their wingspan right here. Yummy. Different owls have different diets. Most owls eat insects, small mammals, or reptiles and other birds. Some owls specialize in fishing out of streams and rivers. Owls digest almost everything they eat, but they cough up what looks like a hairball. This is called an owl pellet. In order to learn about an owl, a scientist will dissect, which means take apart and examine, the owl pellet. They will find small bones that will help them figure out what this particular owl likes to eat. Something to hoot about. Did you know a group of owls is called a parliament? A barn owl can hear the footsteps of the tiniest creature up to 90 feet away. This is exceptional hearing. Owls rarely drink water. They get all the fluids they need from their prey. Owls do not have eyeballs. Their eyes are more like tubes. Owlets do not produce owl pellets. They eat soft food that their parents regurgitate, which means that the mama or the daddy owl eats it and chews it up and then feeds it to the baby owls. And then this is a glossary telling you what each word means. All right, I hope you enjoyed our nonfiction text about owls, and you're going to do your craft as soon as you get done. Bye, guys.